everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is rwJKM and in today's video we will be doing an apartment decor unboxing haul. So for the past few months I've been spending all of my salaries on buying things that I adored and found cute to achieve that Pinterest perfect apartment. Literally I've been keeping all of these boxes in one corner just for this moment. So without further delay, let's start unboxing. Okay, so the first thing that I am unboxing is Gladym side table from IKEA. I had peeked into the box when it got delivered to my home because it's not every day you get a parcel from IKEA. So next is a LED clock. I really wanted to do a desk makeover, so I'm planning to put this above my desk. And I've been seeing this clock quite a lot on both my Instagram page and Pinterest, so I'm really excited to see how it will look on my desk. This beautiful package came from a very aesthetic store on Instagram called She's a Wallflower. I have bought most of the things that she has already curated, and this shell lamp is one of them, and it is so pretty. It does not have a bright light, but it makes your room look very aesthetic. I was also happy to see this package initially, but after I realized I got scammed, let's say I was not that happy. I got this David head statue for rupees 2000, but later I found out that Masala Beats is selling the same exact statue in the same exact size at rupees 580. I got the same statue at two different places for different prices. This package is also from She's a Wallflower, and I have ordered this beautiful pleated lamp from them. I've been seeing this lamp quite a lot on all of my Instagram and Pinterest pages, so I had to get this one. I have to admit this took me quite a while to figure out how to assemble it. I looked up some tutorials on YouTube and then voila, there you go, I've assembled it. And she also sent me a very cute candle along with the package. Speaking of candles, these are little candles I got from Instagram shops. I ordered quite a few ranging from body candle to bubble shaped ones and a oyster one as well. And this was also heavily inspired from all the pictures that I've been seeing on my Pinterest. I have been needing a coffee table for such a long time for my living room, and this completely gives me a Scandinavian / mid-century modern vibes. Next up is this really aesthetic keyboard. I was so glad when I found this at Yoyoso. I usually prefer online shopping, but there are also perks while shopping in person at stores like Yoyoso, Miniso, and you just don't know what you find there. This is another package from IKEA. These are white shelf, which I'm planning to keep above my desk. The manual that came with this shelf were very unique to me because it was really tiny, and this truly gave us a headache to assemble it. Another thing I got are these grids from Miniso. This will be perfect for my desk. And along with that, I also got an amoeba mirror from SHEIN. I got a few more macrames which were on sale, and I have already put some of them up because I love the vibe of plants hanging around my apartment, and I think the more the macrame, the merrier it is. So this is another candle in this haul. It's from Bath & Body Works. I love their product, and I really wish you could smell this right now because I haven't lighted it up yet, but it smells really amazing, and I love that about Bath & Body Works' product because it's always so genuine and so nice. Some of the things that I'm unboxing, I didn't even remember I ordered because things arrived late here in Nepal and my impulsive self got the best of me, so it was really fun to unbox all of it. I was surprised to see a few of the items, and this is one of them. I didn't even remember I ordered another amoeba mirror, but this is also one of the things that I saw on my Pinterest pages and I was inspired to get one for me. So yeah, these are some miniature stuff that I ordered to decorate my shelf. I have a PC with its desk and a little lamp for my bookshelf. And ever since watching The Secret Life of Arietti, I am obsessed with tiny stuffs. I am opening my New Year's and graduation gift that I received from my boyfriend. This is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. And knowing that I am such a plant freak, he also got me a seagrass planter. I already have the exact same planter, but you can never have enough planters if you have tons of plants around your home. The next thing is this mint green color bedding. I'm not going to show this bedsheet in detail because I will be doing a room tour next. And another thing I got is this couch blanket throw. It's in pink color. It's waffle patterned. and because my sofa is grey, and I think it would go well with it. So yeah, perfect for snuggling. These are some of the carpets that I got for my living room. It adds a lot of color and personality to it, and it does reflect a lot of bohemian vibes and the gypsy theme that I have going around in here. My zodiac is Cancer, and I do feel like moon affects my energy. This is a tapestry that has the cycle of the moon. I got this from a Instagram store called Sweetline, but I actually ordered this in a different color, but they sent me in white. But I think I have grown to like it because I feel like returning stuff is hassle-some, and I think I like this. It has been years since I've looked for a vintage telephone. I got this after doing some hefty research, and it costed me around 5,500 or 5,900, I forgot, but somewhere around 5,000 for this. I also got some vinyl records. Some of them might work, but I got them solely for the purpose of wall decor. This bud vase is also from the same place I got my shell lamp and pleated lamp from, and it's really aesthetic and it's really cute. I'm obsessed with vinyl records, so I also got these coasters for those rare occasions whenever I have guests at my place. This is yet another macrame in this unboxing haul, but it has a shelf attached with it, and like I said before, macrame makes every nook of your house beautiful and aesthetic. Hi guys, so this is another day I'm unboxing a mini gramophone. I've also ordered a record player from Best Buy, but it is yet to arrive, and it has been almost 6 months since I've ordered, but it hasn't arrived yet, and I'm really frustrated. It was supposed to come around this time so that I can also add that in this video, but unfortunately you will be seeing my record player, my actual record player, in another video. And these are some of the knickknacks I got from Nepali IG store: a resin coaster and a sun catcher for my living room. A big package came from SHEIN. This is a tissue box shaped like a radio, and it's so expensive. This was for 2,800 rupees. Can you believe it? Okay, anyway, I also got these crates that a lot of you must have seen it on your Pinterest too. These are the pastel color crates inspired from Danish pastoral room tour. Last few things that I got are wooden stand for my laptop, a butterfly tapestry, a miniature chair phone stand, and again a resin coaster. All of these things will probably get organized as I'm also planning to do a desk makeover, so stay tuned for that as well. So this is all for my dream apartment makeover haul. If you want a link of any particular product, then please comment down below. I will be adding the link as a reply to your comment. So yeah, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with me. Please like and subscribe, and also feel free to share among your friends as well. So thank you so much. I will be back with another video.